Question 14, test 2, section 8. The triangle above is isosceles and AB is greater than AC. So I'm just going to mark that. So it's greater than AC. Which of the following must be false? Okay, so this problem, it's number 14, so it's a little tricky. One thing worth noting is that it says it's not drawn to scale, so therefore we can't infer that x and z are certainly congruent to each other, even though they look to be. It looks like an equilateral triangle, but we can't know that for sure. What we do know for sure is that the sides of a triangle, their lengths correspond with the degree measures of the degrees opposite to them. So therefore, the value of y is going to be less than the value of z. Then at that point, there's a couple of options. So angle x could be congruent with angle z, but not necessarily. It could also be congruent with angle y. So basically any answer that says just one of these facts. Oh, it's interesting. That's not must be false. These are just not necessarily true. It's not the same thing. So let's see what must be false by going through these bit by bit. So AB equals BC. That we're not sure that it's false because it could be true. BC could be congruent to AC, or it could be congruent to AB. But it's not a must be false situation, so we could get rid of A. BC equals AC. BC equals AC. This is really the same exact situation. We're not sure. It could be true, but it doesn't have to be true. But it's not a must be false situation. X equals Y. This we're also not sure about because we're not sure if x is congruent to y or if it's congruent to z. But it can't always be false, so it's not a must be false. It could be true. X equals z. Same situation, we're really not sure if x is congruent to z or to y. So it can't be a must be false situation. Y equals z. Well, this must be false because of what we have marked out here, which is just a rule. Since AC is smaller than AB, then Y must be smaller than Z, and therefore they cannot be equal to each other. So Y equals Z must be false all the time, according to this diagram and the information we're given.